Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see watch later playlists on YouTube. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, launch YouTube application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, you can see three dot icon just at the right corner below every video. Now select on the three dot icon of the video that you want to save. Now you can see the option of Save to Watch Later. Now select that option. Now you can see the pop-up that says Save to Watch Later. Now in order to see your Watch Later playlist, you have to tap on your profile picture icon that says You just at the bottom right corner over here. Now you can see Watch Later just below Playlists. Just tap on that option of Watch Later. Now you can see the videos that you have saved to watch later on your Watch Later playlist. So that's how you see your Watch Later playlist on YouTube. And that's all for today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for further upcoming videos.